In this video, I'm building one AI agent that will share its screen live with me so I can see every click and every keystroke as it executes the task I gave it. Let's see a demo. I will send a voice message to the agent. Hey, can you spin up a browser for me and search for AI news in September 2025? Behind the scenes, the automation will be triggered. As a trigger, I used Telegram, and I will receive a live execution link on Slack. My agent will open up a browser, and I will be able to watch it live. I have the link. I will open it up. This is how it looks like. It decided by itself to use Google News. I didn't instruct it to do so. So now it will be able to perform any action just like a human would. So it can click, it can navigate on the page, extract information, type. In my case, it will go to search and type AI News September 2025. Let's walk through the implementation. I leveraged Airtop browser agents. This is their website. They have this very cool feature that enables you to prompt the agent and it will take browser actions on your behalf. If you need some inspiration on what you can do with it, they have quite a few cases, anything from lead qualifications, market research, lead gen. One use case that I really like, it's spying on your competitors. So what you can do is you can schedule one agent that will go to Facebook ads, look for your competitor, scrape all the information about their ads, and send them directly to your email. This is very interesting. What I did to trigger my agent using a voice agent and to receive the link to the live execution, I integrated Airtop agents with n8n. I used n8n as an orchestrator. To achieve this, I log in on their website. They have an API. I just created one new key and I used n8n via HTTP. Now, if you want to test and see what the browser agents can do without any n8n integration, you can use the studio. And if you go to gallery, you can see here, you can try it out live. Let's see one example. And you can have multiple features. A few interesting ones are you can use a proxy out of the box and you can solve CAPTCHAs. And if the page requires authentication, they can also remember your credentials and log in on your behalf. In this case, it will go to Product Hunt and extract top 10 product launches that fit my criteria. In my case, I want to serve developers and exclude any sponsored or promoted listings. You will have your prompt in the box in the top right, and your results will be in the bottom part. You probably cannot see it because of my face. Yeah. Let's see other capabilities. If you go to documentation, you will see that you can download, upload files, you can scrape pages, you can handle multiple pages in case you have pagination, you can do sync or async actions, or if you want more control, you can even write your own Playwright, Puppeteer or Selenium scripts. Now let's see how I integrated n8n with Airtop. This is how the flow looks like. It starts with a Telegram trigger because I wanted to send either a voice message or a text to tell my agent what task do I need it to perform. Here I will check what type of message did I send. If it is an audio, I transcribe it, so I do voice to text. If it is a text, I send it directly. My agent has a prompt saying, hey, your goal is to help me with whatever task I gave it. And the interesting part and what is the, let's say, proprietary part from Airtop are these nodes. So Airtop comes out of the box in an A10 with some tools. The tools will enable you to start a browser session, a window. You can click, type, select buttons, drop downs, any action that a person can do in a browser, this agent can do too. These ones are for uploading files, getting files back, and you can even do a sort of scraping from a page. Now, my idea was, once the agent will have my results, I want to receive the live link execution on Slack in the form of a button, right? So I want one button that will take me to the live execution. To achieve this, I used a special feature from Slack called blocks, and here is how it looks like. If you go into the Slack node, I used these blocks, and I have my own live URL together with the name of the button, View Live Screen. So, if you had an AI agent that can perform any browser actions, what task would you give it? Let me know in the comments below.